Hi there, this is Jim Laverty with This Old Coach Everything RV. And today we are going to be replacing our tub faucet. It has developed a leak over the years, and my shower head's not working great, so I decided I'm going to replace the whole thing. So I thought I'd just walk you through the process. It's pretty easy. It's not hard at all. But let's go and check out what we got. Okay, so that's the dreaded bathroom faucet that we're going to be replacing, actually bathtub faucet. And as you can see, it goes up to that. I'm going to be replacing the shower head, the hose, as well as this. So basically, on my coach, outside, there is a panel that you can open that gives you access to this, to the faucet. And what's going on here with this, the reason why I'm replacing it, first of all, is because it's old. You can see down here, there's a crack. So every time I turn on the shower, water sprays out that way. And that's wasting water. And so, all right, let's go outside and see what we got. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is turn off your water. And that's what I did. And I drained the lines so that there's no water pressure. That's going to cause a leak where I'm going to be replacing the faucet. So on my coach, you can see that you can do a hot water drain out and a line drain out. And I've got also this one. Well, if you hit that one, it'll drain out the water that's actually in the holding tank. And there it goes, see? Okay, so let's get out to where this panel is. So on this Allegro Bay, the panel's right here, and it's got a key lock to it. So you just open it up, and you can see I've already taken the cold water supply off, as well as the hot water. And you just unscrew these. These are come off really, really easy. And just make sure they don't drop down into the little compartment down here. But this one is these hoses are sticking up nice and good. So basically, you're going to unscrew these like so, and you can see that that the old one has this Teflon tape on it. You can't see it here, but anyway, so just do unscrew these. Don't drop these little things into the compartment either, because you'll be fishing them out. So anyway, so let's go ahead and unscrew that. These are just the little tabs that hold the faucet in on the inside. So, and you can already see that it's loosening up nice. So okay, didn't want to bore you with unscrewing those things, but as you can see, I've got them both off. And the old one did have the Teflon tape, and so we'll be doing that as well. Okay, so we're back in the coach, and as you can see, that comes off very nicely. This piece right here, you can unscrew it, and that'll drain out a little bit like that. So that way I can put the new shower head on as well. So that comes off, and I'll show you where it was leaking under here. Ooh, this is really ugly. But yeah, it was leaking from that little crack right there. It probably due to the fact that maybe one winter it got a little too cold and the water came in and cracked that little seal right there. Okay, so here's the faucet that I bought. I got this at Camping World. It's a Phoenix faucet, and it's just cheap. I mean, I think I paid like 35 bucks for this thing. But as you can see, it's going to go back in nice and easy. And it doesn't have the bathtub faucet like the other one did. I never used the bathtub in here. So, but anyway, so that's it. It comes with this back plate, kind of like a seal right here. And basically, I'm going to put the Teflon tape on here and reassemble. Okay, as you can see, got the Teflon tape on. And now I'm going to go just put this in place, and hopefully it'll stay put. It's going to go in like this. And so just keeping aware you're hot. Usually has a red on it, and the cold's going to either have a black or blue signification. So, and of course, the little shower spigot thing goes up on the top. And also, before I install this thing, I'm going to clean this little area right here. It's a really, really good idea. Okay, as you can see, I've cleaned that, and now I'm going to take a shower faucet and put it back in this hole right here. Fits perfectly like it was designed for an RV. Imagine that. And it's cheap, it's plastic, but there it is. So let's go outside. We'll screw in the outsides and put the shower all back on and see what happens. All right, so I got them on hand tight, as tight as I could get it with my hand, and I'm going to turn the water on to make sure that we're not getting any leaks. Cross my fingers. Okay, I just turned the water back on, and it's dry. Seems like it's dry anyway. So that's good. Okay, so that's working good so far. So I'm going to close that up. We're going to go back inside. Okay, so I'm back inside the coach, and we turn that on. You can see, oop, a pot of water. So that's our first parts done. That was a hot. Oop, must have been a little air in the line. So, all right, so that's working good. Now let's put the shower head on. Okay, for the shower head, I bought this Camco RV Marine shower head. It's the full kit. It's at 5 settings, so you can easily turn it on and off, like when you're shampooing your hair, soaping up your body. You can turn it off so you're not wasting too much water. Okay, so this comes with a couple of washers. One has a filter screen on it, and I'm going to put that one on right where the head attaches, so that way it'll catch any of the debris that's trying to get through the head. So we're going to go ahead and put these on, and pretty easy application. Okay, so here's your first tip: is with this thing sucked in all the way, this bolt that's bolting onto the shower, it's too close. So now I got to go back outside, unscrew it so it comes away from the wall of the shower. And so just keep that in mind. Don't tighten it all the way down. I got to go back outside. Back out here. So I loosen these back up, and now we're going to go back inside and screw it all back together. All right, got it on. It was a pain in the butt, but I got it going. So as we can see, we got water coming out of there, and it's not leaking out of there, which is really important. So go ahead and turn that off, and go back outside and screw that thing back in. Okay, so the final phase is just you put that washer in, the black washer, and screw that on there. And what I decided to do is I decided to leave that clip on because the screw holes don't match up with this clip. So I'm just going to leave that old one on there so I don't have to drill another hole inside the shower enclosure, as you can see. And so I'm just going to get this little wrench. You need an adjustable wrench, like a crescent wrench, to do some of your turning of these bolts and stuff like that. And don't overturn these, don't over tighten these, because these are cheap, crappy plastic. But anyway, so I'm going to screw that on, and then we're going to see how it works. Okay, got it all set up, and it works really good. And we'll just turn it on here for a second so you can see. Got a nice rain shower, brand new faucet and shower head, and it works good. I took a shower in it, and it felt great. And anyway, so that's just basically how to do this in a nutshell. There's a few little ups and downs with it, but hope this helped you out, this Jim with This Will Coach Everything RV. Give us a like, and any comments you would have as well. All right, talk to you later. Bye.